Hello, good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Wednesday, the 10th of November. Starting off today with the 10-year note interest rate here, and this is because we had a consumer price index reading come across this morning that was about twice as hot as consensus expectations. So, of course, the bond market freaks out. We have interest rates going from about 1.45% to about 1.6% today, which is a relatively big move. And that's a huge market, which dwarfs just about every other financial market out there. So this has all kinds of downstream effects onto the equities market and maybe even the crypto market. So we're seeing a little bit of reaction towards Bitcoin, not that much. We still have plenty of coins that are going higher on the day, but as you would expect, the high profile coins are selling off just a little bit of distribution off of the highs, but this is not that big of a deal and actually helps build energy for the next move. We can see some of the moves that are sticking today. We have Chainlink trying to break out from that big cup pattern here, which has got about a neckline about 36. Isn't there yet. Good volume though, but has not broken out. We can see Litecoin continues to surprise, Litecoin of all people, or of all assets, right? So here is the basing pattern for Litecoin, broken out nicely above 240 on really good volume. I have no idea what the catalyst for this is, that Litecoin would be that exciting, but there it is. Here's Algorand. Algorand is looking pretty good, although I'm a little concerned that this looks to be a little bit like a larger time frame bear flag. So watch for this. Make sure it doesn't break through this trend line. Otherwise, this ends up being just another one of these big cup patterns that we're seeing on just about every asset that's out there. A lot of red across the board today, so we're not going to go into all those. We're going to look for any other assets that appear to be running today. Digitex is up about 10%. But that doesn't matter all that much. So just a very choppy day in the markets. And I think this was all precipitated by the bond market throwing a little wrench into the works today in the financial markets. But overall, everything still looks really good. Primary trends still look terrific on all time frames. I have no concerns at this point with trend or anything like that. If the price tells us otherwise, we'll pay attention to that. But this is not panic selling, and we're actually back to flat here for the day. So just a little fly in the ointment today coming in through financial markets via the consumer price index, via inflation, and through the bond market. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.